I've got this question from a couple of you where you've asked for good anime that get dubbed in Hindi. To begin with, obviously, there is Dragon Ball Z, one of the most popular shonen anime there is, dubbed in Hindi. One Piece, Luffy is going to be Pirate King, remains the same in any language. So, yes, you can watch One Piece in Hindi. I know Naruto becomes the Hokage in any language. So, Naruto is like another popular anime that you can watch dubbed in Hindi. My Hero Academia was a surprise I wasn't expecting on this list. So, yeah, My Hero Academia, superhero themed, also available in Hindi for you. Jujutsu Kaisen, Gojo Satoru, May He Live Long, Nanami in any language is just as adorable. So yes, you can find Jujutsu Kaisen in Hindi as well. Kimetsu no Yaiba or Demon Slayer or adorable Nezuko with her kind-hearted brother Tanjiro remains the same in any language. So yes, Hindi dubbed is available for Demon Slayer. Um, we've got another popular shonen anime which is Hunter x Hunter. Again, Hunter x Hunter, popular shonen anime. Again, a Hindi dub available. There's other couple of series I wasn't expecting. Free Rent, Beyond Journey's End. If you can watch this in Hindi, this anime is a masterpiece. Not that I've seen it, but this in Hindi, this anime is a masterpiece. I would absolutely recommend this. Spy Family, another super cute anime. It's dubbed in Hindi. So yeah, sure, go wild with this. Ranking of Kings. This is an interesting anime that has been on my to watch list. So yeah, this is also available on Studio Ghibli movies. A few of them have been dubbed in Hindi, like Spirited Away, My Neighbor Totoro, Kiki's Delivery Service, and Ponyo. They've all been dubbed in Hindi here. Um, and you can find these on Crunchyroll. These anime you can watch on Crunchyroll. And in case you're looking for free anime to watch, you can either watch it on 9animetv.to or Hi Anime. Again, these are all your these. This is not limited to just this list. And as always, don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe, and let me know what other anime you've been wanting